G'day guys, Matt from the Nugget Project here. Well, for the past 6 years, I've been making these brake ducts for the XL Race series. I designed them for my car because I wanted better cooling and everyone seemed to like them. So they are literally now on hundreds of cars around Australia and doing a really good job. I make them in the 80mm outlet, a 64mm outlet, and also a 76mm outlet, which seems to be the most popular. So depending on where you live in Australia and how much cooling you want, you can choose an outlet size for that amount of cooling. Now, I've been making them in a PETG, which has been a really good material. It's strong, it's oil resistant, and it works really well. However, there's a few of you out there that race a little too rambunctiously. And I'm getting emails saying, I broke my brake duct, along with the rest of the car. So I decided to change to a ABS material. Now, ABS is a slightly stronger material, it's heat resistant and a little bit lighter. So that is a free upgrade for everyone. Same pricing on the brake ducts, but you now get them in ABS instead of PETG. It's a good upgrade. However, there's a few of you out there that race for sheep stations and your cars get banged up every single weekend. And for you wildcats, I have designed this. This bad boy is my new design. It is printed in a TPU, which is a strong, flexible filament. So it actually flexes and takes a hell of a lot of abuse. This is the prototype model. This color will be printing them in black, but I mean, if you like this, I think it's pretty sick. If you like this color, I'm sure we could organize this for you. And they will be available in the same sizes, 64, 76, and 80mm. They will just be a lot stronger. Now, they will be a little more expensive because it's not cheap material, so it's cost me a lot more to make. However, hit me up on the Instagram page or the Facebook page, shoot me a message. I'll have prices listed there, and if you want to order some, just shoot me a message, let me know what size, your delivery address, and I'll get them out to you. So, I reckon we should see how this holds up compared to the old school one. So one of the things that can break brake ducts and windscreens is rocks on tracks. So I've got myself a little rock shooter. Let's piff some rocks at these ducts, see how they fare. Safety first. First of all, it seems I'm a pretty rad shot with a rock shooter. Anyway, so the old PETG. Yep, that's a pretty decent hole. However, our new TPU duct, there's literally not even a mark, and I actually shot the second one harder. So that's all, like, I can't even see a mark in that. That's how strong it is. So there we go, those new TPU ones deal with rock strikes a lot better than the old ones, and obviously will deal with a lot more rubbing and racing. They're still gonna break if you crash your car, so just bear that in mind, they're not indestructible. So if you're interested in a set of the new TPU stronger ones or the traditional ABS ones, which still work great, hit me up on socials on Facebook or Instagram. And yeah, just shoot me a message and place your order. I also do gauge pods, in-cabin vents, AC delete kits, all sorts of stuff. So check out what I've got and support a fellow racer.